Here is the classic to-do list example written in StrataCode HTML. This template is reactive, so refreshes are incremental. For example, when either of these two properties changes, only the body of the span tag refreshes. And templates are interactive, so when this anchor tag is clicked on, the reverse binding here calls the remove complete method that's defined here in the model layer. The repeat attribute binds to the list of to-do items and repeats this tag once for each one. Again, refreshes are incremental. The to-dos property is also defined in the model layer, but it's configured in the data layer so that it's easy to run with and without the sample data. For each to-do item, the check property uses a bidirectional binding on the complete property. And when we do find usages on this complete property, we'll see all of the usages, even those in test scripts. And the test script depends only on the model layer so that it can be used without a UI or with UI that has a different framework. Right now I'm running this application in server-only mode, so there's only one active process. Let's look at the run configuration. There's just these two layers and all layers are compiled. Here's the running application here with the management UI on the right. As I type over here, the management UI updates. Let's take a look at the server logs to see the protocol. Since this is in server-only mode, the client sends just the change events and DOM property changes. And the server responds with DOM property changes and HTML updates. Now let's take a look at the generated code for this input tag. It extends this input class, which defines the check property here used in the bidirectional binding to the to-do complete property. And to render that tag, we use this binding here, which also listens for the to-do complete property and includes some constant text. When that property changes sometime later, this output start tag method will run to actually do the refresh. This gives you lots of places to set breakpoints and to keep track of what's going on even when you have framework logic. Back to the template, I'll finish up by mentioning that it runs in client-only and client-server modes and can be used with a number of different server-side scopes to determine how data is stored, whether it is shared between sessions, windows, or different users for collaboration. I'll cover those features in another demo. Thanks for watching.